My name's Kane Bennett. I'm the Managing Director of the Melbourne Tractors Group. We've been a Kobelco dealer since 2007. This is our flagship branch in Somerton, Victoria. In 2007, the opportunity came up to become a full-line Kobelco dealership. My dad was dealing closely with the Japanese, bringing in used equipment, and had a great relationship with them. So I believe he was the first phone call, and the answer was a very, very enthusiastic yes.
Kobelco has got such a great reputation for reliability and for fuel economy. And also what we're finding customers telling us, it's got the latest features, but still very simple to use as well. So when you put all that together as a package, when people get into a Kobelco, it's very hard to get them out of one. One of the great things about the Kobelco product is the size of the cabin and the roominess of the cabin, which means that it really is tailor-made for any size operator. The owner doesn't have to be too concerned about who's using the machine because they know they're going to have a comfortable experience which will lead them to being very productive.
The servicing of the machine is obviously a big advantage to us. We keep our pricing competitive. It enables us to visit the machine and keep the servicing up to date. Having a good service package reduces downtime on the machine. We know the reliability of the machine. We spend all of our time in the servicing side of it, and that promotes the longevity of the machine.
Kobelco are constantly innovating new product and we see that coming through, adapting to the market. I think one of the great things of working with Kobelco is, as an Australian dealer, we get a seat at the table. We visit the factory regularly. We get to put our input in there and the engineers in the factory are listening to that. So there's new product coming, new product adapting. The market in Victoria has been subdued over the last couple of years, but Victoria's such a great state with such great prospects. We're very excited to grow with the state as it goes, and the next 5 years I think will be a really exciting time for all of us.
It's been an exciting time to be with Kobelco. Here at Melbourne Tractors, we've got Kobelco to #1 in the heavy range of machines, and that's something that's built up over a long period of time. We've topped that off with, in 2025, Melbourne Tractors was named the Kobelco Service Dealer of the Year. A powerful combination, top-level service backed by great machines.